Hey everybody, it's me, Jackie G with Gwartzman's Art Supplies. Our company is located in downtown Toronto. For those of you that don't know us, we're in what I say the best part of Toronto between Kensington Market and Chinatown. If you've never visited us before, one of these days you'll be able to come and check us out. We're on Spadina Avenue. If you like what you see, follow us on Instagram, see what we do. You can also check our website, gwartzmans.com, where there's always things posted, sales, information, anything that's happening, events, etc., etc., etc. So today I wanted to do something a little different. I'm going to take you on a tour of our new space, and I just wanted to show you what's happening here. It has been a while, and I can finally start to show you things that are going on. Before I forget, I did want to remind you of a few things. Our back to school sale is still on until the 26th. So if you're interested in any supplies, anything that you're looking to purchase for the next little while, you've got midterms coming up. If you're taking a new class, I know some things haven't started yet. It's a great time to stock up. We've got everything listed on our website. We also have daily door crashers. If you haven't checked them out, they are 1 day only. So if you come back and want to place an order later, that deal will be over. We're not running it again, 1 day only. So I would certainly check that out. And again, back to school ends on the 26th. So I have to apologize. I made a huge mistake. I've been talking about this great show we're going to be participating in October called Scriptus. And it's not on the 26th, it's on the 27th, which is a Sunday. So if you already had a bookmark that you're going to come visit us and see the show on the Saturday the 26th, don't do that because we won't be there. You'll be going to a beautiful library, but Scriptus will be on the Sunday. And I am so looking forward to seeing all of you there. If you're coming to check it out for the first time, it is for everything to do with pens. We are not only going to be showing some beautiful pens that we've just been bringing in, but also lots of accessories and all kinds of new product that we may showcase at that show. We have some other events coming up, and of course, you know, I've been making mistakes in the calendar, so today I decided I'm not going to tell you the dates. I would check our website, gwartzmans.com, because that will give you the exact dates, and you won't leave it for me to make a mistake and tell you to come on the wrong day. We have some great things happening. I will say our fall is completely booked up. We are now looking into the winter time to do some really amazing things. Actually, I will tell you one thing because I do remember the exact date, so that way I won't mess it up. October the 4th, we are going to have a demo, an online demo with Mary from Gamblin. If you are familiar with Gamblin Paints, they make professional oil paint products and from the States. They've been doing this a long time. They are known for the quality that they produce. They do make a lot of amazing mediums. I know a lot of you are interested in the new methods to use their cold wax. Mary will be able to answer all your questions. And as I've mentioned before, Mary is the person that we contact when we have an issue with any of the Gamblin products. So October the 4th, check the website for the exact time. I think you're going to really enjoy it. As I say, get your questions ready if there's something related to Gamblin. I won't, you know, please don't ask her questions about any other brand. This is Gamblin products only. But they do make a full line of professional mediums. You should definitely check that one out. As I say, there's other dates. I'm not going to get them all messed up because I don't want you tuning in on the wrong day, and then I have to come back and correct myself. So let's get with today. As I say, we've been undergoing this renovation for a few months already. Trust me, I really want to reopen, but today we are at a stage where I can take you on a bit of a walk. So right now, I'm going to get up and start moving and show you. This was actually the back of our store. If anybody has been in our place, you're going to remember this is where we had all our stretch canvases. We had canvas on the wall. We had all kinds of stuff. It was pretty packed back here. We had a counter in the middle. And, well, this is all going to be different. It's not quite finished yet. We have new displays coming in for all of our canvas. We have new place that we're going to be putting our canvas rolls. So all of that is still sort of arriving. Yeah, there's going to be lots of lights, don't worry. I kind of was a little concerned about that too, but you know what? We sometimes worry way too much. But we've got lots of lighting coming through, so it's going to be pretty bright. So I'm going to start walking backwards because that way you'll get to see actually, wow, it feels huge in here. Of course, when things are empty, it always looks much, much bigger. And you'll see that, you know, what I'm walking on is actually very quiet. These are the new floors. I am so psyched about these. This looks absolutely amazing. I know a lot of you were so worried about the floors and everything else, but I couldn't save the floor. I had to give up something, and I figured, you know what, new floors, new memories, this is the way to do it. And as we make our way through the store, you're going to see that, wow, there is this really cool brick on either side. And I have to tell you how excited I was when I saw this brick. We were really, really happy that this was hiding behind the walls. And the walls are in pretty good shape. I mean, for a building that's over 100 years old, I've been told that it's about 130 years old. This looks pretty fantastic. And I am sure, like I've always said, the stories these walls could tell. I've heard some of the history of this place, and I know that it went through many changes before my grandparents bought the building. So it was owned by restaurants. There was a shoe store here. There was all kinds of things. I never did get to find out what some of the details were that at the top of the ceiling, but we still got some of that left. And so there's some funky stuff with the walls, but let me just tell you, this is the original brick. So we didn't touch it. We just fixed it and sealed it, and we're leaving it completely alone. I think this, to me, was the most exciting thing that I saw going on here. And I think with our great floor, which you'll find very comfortable when you're walking in, because I know my staff and I are truly enjoying it, this is going to be great. So you'll see that it feels even bigger than it was as we're moving backwards. You know, sometimes I look at things and I'm trying to remember where everything was, but the space just feels so different. Anyways, we're going to keep walking, and we've got some stuff going on, but I did want to show you what's been happening here at the store. We still left a lot of the old vents that were here. I can't even tell you what some of them were used for, because some of them stopped going to the basement, and some of them we have no idea. So it just becomes a nice little feature within the store that you'll get to see. And I'm going to move, and I'm going to show you where the front counter is now going to be. Excuse my back as I make my way here. But hey, here I am. This is our front counter. I mean, we've moved up. We are now no longer near the back of the store. You don't have to walk halfway down. We'll get to see you as soon as you come in and say hi. And I think this is just like fantastic. We've got tons of display space behind us. We're going to be putting up all kinds of our posters too. So there's still lots and lots happening. I wanted to show you a couple things because I get lots of feedback. I've been getting feedback since we started. It's like, why are you doing this? Why? Blah, your dad wouldn't like it. All kinds of stuff. So I wanted to tell you why we're doing it. And I've sort of many times equated it to us going to, if we can, you know, if we've done it, to a spa day, right? There are times that we just, you know, you need a change. It's like an artist who suddenly you get in a rut and you got to make a change. So you stop painting, or you try a new medium, or you do something different. We needed a spa day. She was getting a little tired. And we wanted her to feel brighter and up. And so this is why we made the change. We decided to strip it back, give it a whole new space. We were running out of room for all the products that we have. Now we think we're going to have a lot more room to be able to show you a lot more product, showcase a lot more things on the back walls. have a great studio space if we want to hang any artwork in here, or if we want to hang, we're going to hang a lot of the old posters that a lot of you may have noticed over the years. We've got a beautiful window space that we're going to be using to show a lot of our great product in the windows, so when you come by, you'll be able to see it. Just lots of room for our staff, which is what I'm excited about. And so I wanted to also show you something because, as I say, my dad went through a lot of changes with our store. It was not the same when he, was running it. He made a lot of changes. This was my dad standing outside our store in 1983. So in 83, our sign had already changed a few times. The front of the store hadn't changed yet, but of course, this is the bag, so I didn't bring down the photo of this yet. But this is the store when my dad had changed the front. So she's gone through some changes already. The iconic one, of course, is David Creighton's drawing that a lot of you are familiar with. But that's my dad in front in 83. So if I tell you how many times our sign has changed out front, there's quite a few. I've probably got about 20 copies of different business cards that we've made changes to. We're always doing something new. Okay. If we're having technical issues, there's still a lot of things happening down here, so bear with us because we're still getting used to it. And so I really wanted just today to show you what's happening. I can't give you a date because we have shelving coming in this week. So once the shelving is in, then we'll get our computers up, and hopefully we're going to start to see you in here very, very shortly. We're going to make an announcement. It'll be on social media when you can start coming into the store. Right now we are still open online, so if you want to place an order, our turnaround time is very quick. If you want it for pickup or if you want something delivered, we're here for you. That's what I want to tell you. And we are not raising our prices. This had to be done. We are still going to be the same Gwartzmans where we offer the most competitive pricing there is, which I believe pretty well, I will say all across Canada because I don't want to speak for our neighbors across the border. We do ship to the U.S., so if you're looking for some of the products that we carry, you can certainly find them on our American website. So I'm not sure if anybody has any questions or comments. I hope you're just enjoying seeing that we can actually show you what's been happening here. Since last time I visited with you, a lot has changed, so it's all great. We are chomping at the bit to be able to have you back in here. Believe me, I really want to be able to see all of you and say hello. I mean, this is my way of communicating with you. I did want to take a second. There are a lot of new products arriving. If you are a fan of art tools, we have their products coming in. They're on their way. And also Endless Stationers, we have a big shipment coming in from them as well. So if you're a fan of Endless Stationers, we're going to be stocking their products. There's a lot of other things on the move, but as I say, today was really a focus to show you what's happening so that we can get open very, very soon. A couple things I wanted to tell you that arrived. A lot of you are fans of the Beam. These are their postcards. We have a big shipment that arrived. These are the two that are available. So they just came in. They'll be on the website very shortly. If you're going to Scriptus, they'll be there, so you can take a look at that. We also received this new shipment from Paper Republic. This is a beautiful line, and I'm going to show you, of leather-covered notebooks. These are from Vienna. Gorgeous, gorgeous leather. This is all vegetable dye. They make these beautiful notebooks to go inside. They have the strap to close it. And their whole idea is you should be able to fill this about 2 inches thick. We have all the notebooks that go with it. They're available in 2 sizes. And I obviously love red and the beautiful petrol blue that they make. As I say, these are perfect if you don't want anything too big. So that one you can see fits in my hand. So it's approximately a 4x5, 4x6. You can get these elastics as well if you need more of them. But you know what? This is absolutely stunning, and I'm always love to show these off. They come in their own box with their own cardboard cover. So when you receive it, it's going to look exactly like that. Yeah, so this is it for today. I didn't want to take too much time to tell you about too many new products. There's just so many things that are walking through our upstairs, because we aren't going too much downstairs just yet. We have a whole new basement, so the staff are all excited about that. Yeah, so that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed your tour. I can't wait to take you on a tour when all our products are back in the shelves. I'm going to move down here just so that you can actually get a feel for how big it looks and how we can't wait to see you back in our location at 448 Spadina Avenue in the heart of downtown Toronto. Until then, I hope you have a great day. I hope you have a great week, and please keep on creating. Bye-bye for now.